Man, I woke up hearing this damn dude with the damn blower. Woke my ass up. Like, it is 12 o'clock. This guy here blowing the goddamn blower like crazy. Like, goodness gracious. Man, dude. It is, my bad, it's 11:40. Man, this guy right here woke my butt up, man, blowing this damn blower. It is 11:41 at night. I'm like, what the hell is this loud ass noise, man? Waking up the truck drivers. Jesus, man, like what? I thought I was hearing something. I'm like, honestly, I thought somebody was cutting the grass or something. I like, am I tripping? But this guy woke my ass up, man. Jesus, I know the other truck drivers over there hearing the same damn thing. Like, what the hell that loud noise is, man? I'm a very light sleeper, man. Anything wake my butt up, but that right there was just ridiculous, man. I don't know, he was just trying to be funny. I know he's doing his job, but man, you can't do that like around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning when all the truck drivers about to leave out. But at 11 o'clock at night, man, that's just crazy. I mean, I know he got a job to do, but bruh, like, you know, all those truck drivers trying to get some sleep, and he got this loud ass damn blower. Can't make this up, man. That sucker loud in the mofo. Alright, you guys. Well, he back at it. I thought he was done. Man, can't even get no sleep at the truck stop. He going between trucks right now. He going between the trucks with that loud ass blower. Oh my sweet Lord. Man, he woke my butt up. I gotta wake up at 1 o'clock. I don't know if I can go back to sleep now, man. This guy woke my butt up. Damn. He told me I'm trying to take a good little sleep. I guess he woke me up. Alright, guys. Peace. Damn.